Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm Olivia. And today I want to tell you something that most people completely ignore until it's too late. What if I told you that getting rich is not about luck, not about a high salary, and definitely not about some secret trick, but about small daily habits you repeat without even thinking? Right now, there are people earning less than you who are slowly becoming wealthy, and people earning more than you who are staying broke. The difference is not big decisions, it's tiny daily actions. So if you're serious about changing your financial future, stay with me till the end, because even one habit from this video can change everything. And before we go deeper, if you love simple and practical money tips like this, hit like and subscribe to Smart Money Hub, because this channel is all about helping you grow step by step without confusion. Let's start with something very simple, but powerful. Every wealthy person you admire has one thing in common. They are aware of their money. Not stressed, not obsessed, just aware. Most people don't even know where their money goes. They earn, they spend, and at the end of the month they feel stuck. But one small habit changes this completely. Tracking your money daily, even for just 2 minutes. When you start noticing your spending, you naturally start making better decisions. Another habit that builds wealth quietly is paying yourself first. The moment you receive money, you save a small part before spending anything. It doesn't have to be big. Even a small percentage works. The power is in consistency. Over time, saving becomes automatic, not something you struggle with. And one more thing. Emotional spending. We all do it. When we feel bored, stressed, or even excited, we spend money to feel better. But wealthy people pause before buying. They ask themselves, do I really need this, or is this just a feeling? That one question can save you a lot of money over time. Now let's go deeper into habits that actually grow your money over time. One of the most powerful habits is learning something about money every single day. It doesn't have to be long. Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Just like money compounds, knowledge also compounds. The more you understand money, the better your decisions become. And this is exactly what we focus on here at Smart Money Hub, making money simple and practical for you. Another important habit is focusing on increasing your income slowly. Most people only try to save money, but there's a limit to how much you can save. There is no limit to how much you can earn. So even if you start small, learning a new skill, trying a side hustle, or improving your current job, it all adds up. When your income grows and your habits stay disciplined, that's when real progress begins. And here's a powerful idea. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When people start earning more, they immediately upgrade everything in their life. Better phone, better car, more spending. But wealthy people do the opposite. They keep their lifestyle stable and invest the extra money. That's how they move ahead quietly. Because the truth is, you don't become rich by looking rich. You become rich by staying consistent. And yes, investing matters, but the habit matters even more. Even small investments done regularly can grow big over time because of compounding. Time is your biggest advantage. And now let's talk about the habits that protect your future and keep you on the right path. One of the most important habits is avoiding bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but using money you don't have for things that don't grow your income can hold you back for years. Another powerful habit is shaping your environment. This doesn't mean you need rich friends. It means you surround yourself with better financial thinking. The content you watch, the ideas you listen to, all of it shapes your mindset and your decisions. And here's something very important. Patience. Getting rich slowly is not exciting. It's not viral, and it's definitely not overnight. But it works. Every single day you follow these habits, you're building a stronger financial future. Most people quit because they don't see results quickly, but results are building quietly in the background. One day, everything starts to make sense. So from today, don't focus on big changes. Focus on small daily improvements. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust the process. Because the habits you build today are creating the life you will live tomorrow. And before you go, I want you to comment below and tell me, which habit are you starting today? I'd love to read your answer. Also, share this video with someone who needs this, because sometimes one simple idea can change someone's entire life. I'll see you in the next one.